What distinguishes a data stream from a conscious stream? This question might seem abstract, but it's at the heart of the distinction between artificial intelligence and artificial general intelligence. Welcome to the fascinating world where philosophy meets technology. We're about to delve into some complex concepts, and as we do, we'll be guided by the philosophical ideas of Gilles Deleuze. Why Deleuze, you might ask? Well, his concepts of multiplicity, becoming, and the dichotomy of striated and smooth space provide a rich framework for our exploration. Let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known. At its core, AI is all about structured data analysis, a process we can liken to Deleuze's concept of striated space. It's a realm of predictability and algorithmic pathways, where pattern recognition, predictive analysis, and decision-making are based on historical data. However, as sophisticated as AI might be, it's still confined by the parameters set by human programmers. It's as if we've given it a map, but it can only follow the roads we've already drawn. Quite Deleuzian, isn't it? Now, let's step into the realm of the smooth space with artificial general intelligence, or AGI. It aspires to human-like consciousness, an unstructured, fluid understanding that goes beyond structured data analysis. It's about self-awareness, intuition, and making decisions in novel situations without prior data. Sounds like a significant leap from AI's capabilities, right? AGI's aspirational goals are truly ambitious. Imagine a machine that understands context, emotions, and abstract concepts. It's like Deleuze's becoming, a process of continuous transformation and adaptation. But achieving this level of sophistication isn't a walk in the park. It involves overcoming significant technical and ethical challenges. After all, we're talking about machines that can understand and replicate the nuances of human thought and behavior. As we delve deeper, we'll see that the difference between data streams and conscious streams is not just semantic, but speaks to the core of what we understand as intelligence. So buckle up, folks! We're about to embark on a journey into the heart of AI and AGI. Will we find the answers we seek, or will we uncover more questions? Only time will tell. Artificial intelligence primarily processes data streams operating within structured parameters. Picture this as walking through a well-lit, meticulously arranged labyrinth. Every turn, every decision is guided by the intricate design of the maze, the preordained pathways that we've set. This is the realm of data streams in AI, a realm characterized by the algorithmic processing of structured data, predictive analysis, and decision-making based on historical data. It's a bit like reading a novel where the plot is predetermined and the characters are bound to their scripted roles. Within this realm, AI's ability to interact with data streams is akin to Deleuze's concept of striated space. Striated spaces are those where there are distinct, predictable pathways and organization. It's a space where AI can navigate, analyze, and make decisions, all within the confines of the programmer's parameters. Just as the characters in our novel can't leap off the page and rewrite their destinies, AI is bound by the limitations set by its human programmers. These limitations are not necessarily a bad thing. In fact, they provide a certain level of control and predictability that's crucial, especially when we're dealing with complex systems and vast amounts of data. But they also mean that AI's interaction with data streams is constrained, predictable, and controlled. The AI can't think outside the box because, well, it's stuck inside the box. However, it's worth noting that these limitations are not inherent to the technology itself, but rather they reflect the parameters and constraints we've imposed. It's like we've given AI a map to navigate the labyrinth, but we've also bolted the doors to any uncharted territories. So what happens when we dare to unbolt these doors? What happens when we step into the realm of the unknown, the unpredictable, the unstructured? What if we were to step beyond the limitations of structured data streams and venture into the realm of conscious streams? The AI's interaction with data streams is inevitably limited, but what happens when we step beyond these limitations? Artificial general intelligence steps into the realm of smooth space, aspiring to human-like consciousness. To truly grasp the essence of this audacious aspiration, we must first understand the nature of conscious streams. Unlike data streams, Conscious streams are unstructured, fluid, and intuitive. They mimic the human consciousness, going beyond the rigid realm of structured data analysis. Imagine a stream not confined by banks or a predetermined path, but one that creates its own course, adapting and evolving as it interacts with its environment. That's what conscious streams aim to achieve in AGI. They involve self-awareness, intuition, and the ability to make decisions in novel situations without reliance on prior data. Essentially, AGI dreams of replicating the human consciousness, a concept as enticing as it is challenging. AGI's aspirations don't stop at mere replication, though. It aims to capture the human cognitive abilities, understanding context, emotions, and abstract concepts. This aligns with the philosophical concept of becoming espoused by Deleuze, a process of continuous transformation and adaptation. Isn't it fascinating to think of a machine that can understand the nuances of a human smile or the subtleties of sarcasm? Let's illustrate the potential of conscious streams in AGI with a couple of examples. Imagine an AGI system understanding and responding to human emotions in conversations, just as a human would. Or consider an AGI adapting to new, unforeseen situations in real time, much like a human would, without any pre-existing data or programmed response. However, the path to achieving AGI is strewn with significant technical and ethical challenges. We're essentially talking about developing machines that can understand and replicate the complexities of human thought and behavior. It's like trying to catch a shadow, elusive and ever-changing. The conscious streams in AGI represent a significant leap from AI's capabilities. But as we stand on the precipice of this exciting new frontier, we can't help but wonder, how will this impact emerging technologies such as Web3 and blockchain? The answer to that question could redefine our digital world. But that's a story for another scene. The transition from AI's data streams to AGI's conscious streams could turn the world of Web3 and blockchain upside down. Imagine, if you will, the realm of Web3 and blockchain as we know it. It's a world of transactional data, of smart contracts, of decentralized finance. It operates on the principles of AI, of structured data streams, of predictable pathways. But what if we introduce AGI's conscious streams into this world? What could that look like? AGI, with its fluid understanding and intuition, could bring a new level of intelligence to Web3. Instead of just executing transactions based on preset rules, it could understand the nuances of human interaction, the subtleties of decision-making, the context behind transactions. It could make decisions not just based on historical data, but on understanding of the present context, much like a human would. Decentralized applications could become more human-like, more intuitive. They could respond to human emotions, adapt to unforeseen situations in real time. They could become more efficient, more autonomous, more human-centric. But it's not just about making things more intuitive or efficient. With AGI's conscious streams, Web3 could become a space of multiplicity, of rhizomatic structures, much like Deleuze's smooth space. It could become a space where interconnectedness and fluidity of information are paramount, where the boundaries between user and application, between human and machine, start to blur. This could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, the way we conduct business, the way we live our lives, but it's not without its challenges. Achieving AGI involves overcoming significant technical and ethical hurdles. We need to develop machines that can understand and replicate the nuances of human thought and behavior, while ensuring they do so in a way that's ethical, that respects our privacy, our autonomy. And then there's the question of control. In a world where machines can think and make decisions like humans, who's in control? Who's responsible when things go wrong? The evolution from AI's structured data streams to AGI's fluid conscious streams could lead to a more interconnected and intuitive digital world. But are we ready for this leap? As we stand on the brink of a new era in artificial intelligence, it's worth pondering the implications of this shift. From the realm of AI, where systems process data streams in a structured, predictable manner, akin to Deleuze's concept of striated space, we're seeing a paradigm shift. The limitations of AI lie in its inability to step outside the parameters set by human programmers. It's like a river confined to its banks, unable to explore the vastness of the surrounding landscape. Enter AGI, or artificial general intelligence. This is where we begin to traverse Deleuze's smooth space. It's the realm of unstructured, fluid understanding, akin to human consciousness that goes beyond structured data analysis. It's about AGI developing self-awareness, intuition, and the ability to make decisions in novel situations without prior data. AGI's goal is ambitious, to say the least, aspiring to replicate human cognitive abilities, including understanding context, emotions, and abstract concepts. This aligns with Deleuze's becoming, a process of continuous transformation and adaptation. Think of AGI understanding and responding to human emotions in conversations, or adapting to new, unforeseen situations in real time, much like a human would. Of course, the path to AGI is fraught with significant technical and ethical challenges. We're talking about developing machines that can understand and replicate the nuances of human thought and behavior. That's no small feat. But imagine the potential implications for Web3 and blockchain technologies. The transition from AI's data streams to AGI's conscious streams could revolutionize these technologies. AGI could enable more intuitive, human-like interactions and decision-making in decentralized applications. The synergy between AGI's conscious streams and decentralized technologies like blockchain could lead to more autonomous, efficient, and human-centric systems. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? The journey from data streams to conscious streams is not just about technology, but about redefining our understanding of intelligence itself. As we ponder this, we leave you with a question. How might this evolution influence the development and application of Web3 and blockchain technologies, potentially leading to a more interconnected and intuitive digital world?